place that's fine. Downtown Helen, where the buildings shine. The Chattahoochee rolls right through. The Helendorf waits there for you. Oh, the Helendorf, oh, can't you see? The perfect spot for you and me. Suites so cozy and views so grand. It's the best darn inn in all the land.
Ahoy there everyone, Captain Billy J here, and today I'm going to give you a room tour here at the beautiful Helendorf Hotel here in beautiful Helen, Georgia. Let's take a look. So I'm up here on the 3rd floor. So there's an elevator right here, and here is the room numbers, fire hose, and then got a nice view up here. There's a pool area down there. But the captain is right here in 307 here at the Helendorf. So let's go ahead and go in. So I've already opened the door, and we get a nice little view here of the room. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom first, here on the left. So over here on the bathroom side, they do have a closet area. They got iron. They have your hangers. They've got an ironing board and a little luggage shelf. Open that door. They do have 2 sinks. They have 1 sink out here. So, and a mirror, and towel, and hair dryer, and waste basket. And then in here is the bathroom. So they do have a bathtub you can take a bath in. They also have a shower. It's not a movable shower head. It's permanently fixed up there, but that's all right. They do have paper towels. They do have a nice toilet area, and they have 1 sink in here. So I got a sink here and a sink there. So pretty cool. And a huge mirror, towels. They do have some body lotion, makeup remover. So that's nice there. And I think there's Kleenex. Nope, no Kleenex. There's no Kleenex. Oh, this isn't here. No Kleenex whatsoever. So if you need tissues, you bring your own. Anyways, walking out of the bathroom area, you do have another mirror. So that's cool. This is a connected room, so this is a connecting room, so you can connect to the other room on the other side. But this is a 2-queen riverfront room. So 1 queen bed. You just have 1 lamp in the middle. You do have the telephone. You do have plugins in the lamp, so that's good. You do have a clock radio as well. And 1 drawer. Got your Holy Bible, and it's like phone book. I haven't seen a phone book in forever. Across from the beds, there is a nice size TV. Like the size of that. I do have some cabinets below. Let's take a look and see what they got in here. There's your microwave. So this room does have a microwave in it. Next to the microwave, there is a little mini fridge. Feeling it, and it's decently cold, but nice little mini fridge. Bigger than the cruise ship. And also here they do have some drawers. So if you want to take your clothes out, put them in the drawers. There are 4 sets of drawers. And right next to there is an empty spot. So I think that's where the mini fridge went before. I think it's too big now to go in there. They do have a couple of seats, chairs over here. 1 chair, they got a little table top there, coffee table thing. Another chair. There's your control for your room. Let's see what you can control it there. I don't know if they have one on the wall or not, but you have a picture frame. On the other side, you do have like a little desk, as well as a lamp, an ice bucket with glasses, and they do have a it's like a K-Pod, K-Cup coffee maker. So yeah, there you go. Pretty cool. And then the highlight of this room is this is a river view balcony. So this has a balcony, so let's go ahead and open it up here. Top lock. And we got a nice little view. So we do have a couple of chairs out here, a little table. It's like an ashtray. I'm not sure if this is a smoking room, but Right here we're on the 3rd level. There's a guy fishing in the river. This is my view. So nice little area here, right along the Chattahoochee River. Pretty sweet. But anyways, that is the room here at the Helendorf. This is again room 307 here on the 3rd floor of the Helendorf, right next to the elevator. So that's very convenient. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. First time staying at a Riverview room. Check out my other videos that I've had up there in that corner, I think. Or is it that corner? I'll have other room tours when I stayed on the 700 block, which was not a Riverview room. So check that out.
The Helendorf's the place to meet. Oh, the Helendorf, oh, can't you see? The perfect spot for you and me. Sweet, so cozy, and view so grand. It's the best darn inn in all the land. Conference center or a riverside stay, a balcony to watch the water sway. Helen's heartbeat, it echoes clear. The Helendorf song is what you'll hear. Oh, the Helendorf, oh, can't you see? The perfect spot for you and me. Sweet, so cozy, and view so grand. It's the best darn inn in all the land.
As that completes our room tour here at the Helendorf Hotel in beautiful Helen, Georgia, right along the Chattahoochee River. Thank you guys for watching. Do make sure you hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and click that bell notification to be notified of when I post a video like this or go live. This has been Captain Billy J signing off, and we'll see you guys in the vlogs. Bye for now. Hey, did you check out that video right there? Check it out right now. It's related. YouTube suggested. Check it out. Captain Billy J